Hi everyone, welcome to How Tech. My name is Sam. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can get the notification every time I post a new video. I post pretty frequently, so you can learn as much as you can, and I can teach you how much as you can. Also, please like this video if it was helpful to you. Let's get started. So, have you not seen my previous video about how to create a table in SQL? Please see the link above. It should be on the right hand corner. Let's get started. In this video, we will be updating some of the text in our table using SQL queries. So text or data is the same thing. Um, you will see them in a column when I show you the table. So first, let's look at the table, and then we can look at the table that we created last time, and then we'll go from there. So to look at the table that we created last time, we'll use DESC customer and then click run. So this is the table that we created last time. To look at the data inside the table, we'll just use select star from customer. So this command shows you everything that is in that table. So when you do that, so this is the information that is in the table called customer. Now we want to update, we can update any of these things. So let's update the CD for customer ID 1 and name Sam. So to update that, we'll do update customer, which is the name of the table, and then set, let's say CD is equal to, let's call it New York, and New York. Now we have to put a condition on where customer ID is equal to 1. Okay, now I'll do select all from customer. So the first column will, the first command will give us this column. The second one will replace Reston with New York. Uh, and the third one will give us another table that will have the updated version. So let's run this. Okay, yes, so I made a mistake here. It will be a single quote. There's always a single quote with text. So let's run this again. Yep. So the first one is the column that was original, and then it says 3 rows selected, and then 1 row is updated. And in the bottom row, we can see that the rest is being replaced by New York. Sorry. Now we can add or update multiple texts in the same row. So let's do that. Let's instead of replacing, so now we can do it for number 3. So let's do ID 3, and then we want to replace the city to New York, and then we can also let's put first name first name is equal to, let's call it John, and comma, last name is equal to, call it Smith. So this will do this. Yeah, so see, now this was the updated column where we updated New York. Now our current column has New York, and it says 3 rows selected and then 1 row updated. So now here you see the first name was Michael, the last name was Samson. Now in this, the first name is John, last name is Smith. That's what we put here, John and Smith. And here, the city was Chantilly, now it is New York. We can also add, we can also replace the email address, the street name, anything we would like. So that is the update command in the SQL, where it can help you update the current table that you created. This is all for this video. Please like and subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.